Thinking about buying a drone? Please watch this video till the end because one of these drones offers the best combination of camera quality, flight performance, and value. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which one is the best overall choice for your money. Whether you're capturing cinematic aerial videos, taking stunning vacation photos, creating content for social media, or just getting started with drone flying, this video is carefully researched to help you make the right decision without confusion or hype. Let's start the countdown from number 5. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. Number 5. Ruko F11 Pro 2 Plus. The Ruko F11 Pro 2 Plus is a feature-packed drone designed for creators who want impressive image quality and long flight times. It features a 48-megapixel camera capable of capturing 8K photos, a 3-axis gimbal stabilizer, 2 intelligent batteries providing up to 74 minutes of total flight time, and an impressive transmission range of up to 20,000 feet. Review highlights. This drone delivers smooth, stabilized footage and dependable GPS performance, making it ideal for beginners and hobbyists alike. The extended battery life allows for longer shooting sessions, while the intuitive controls make learning to fly much easier. Pros: 48-megapixel camera with 8K photo capability, 3-axis mechanical gimbal, up to 74 minutes of total flight time, long-range transmission, GPS-assisted flight modes, beginner-friendly controls. Number 4. Potensic Atom SE. The Potensic Atom SE is an ultra-lightweight GPS drone weighing under 249 grams. It features a 4K EIS camera, brushless motors, up to 62 minutes of combined flight time, 4 km FPV transmission, and intelligent functions like auto return. Review highlights. The Atom SE is an excellent entry-level drone that offers impressive stability and image quality for its price. Its lightweight design makes it easy to carry, while GPS-assisted features provide extra confidence during every flight. Pros: under 249-gram lightweight design, 4K camera with EIS stabilization, up to 62 minutes of combined flight time, brushless motors, auto return feature, foldable, and travel-friendly. Number 3. GPS drone with EIS camera. This GPS-equipped drone comes with an electronic image stabilization camera, a built-in 4.5-inch LCD controller display, AI tracking, orbit mode, follow me, circle fly, and automatic return to home functionality. Review highlights. The integrated display on the controller makes flying more convenient by eliminating the need to rely solely on a smartphone. Smart flight modes help beginners capture dynamic aerial footage with minimal effort. Pros: built-in LCD screen on the controller, GPS positioning, AI tracking and orbit mode, follow me feature, auto return, easy to operate for beginners. Number 2. Potensic Atom 2 Fly More. The Potensic Atom 2 Fly More combo features a high-quality 4K video camera, stunning 8K photo capability, a 3-axis gimbal, AI tracking, AI night shot, vertical shooting mode, up to 96 minutes of combined flight time, and an impressive 10 km transmission range. Review highlights. This drone offers premium-level features in a compact package. Its AI-powered shooting modes, excellent stabilization, and extended flight time make it a fantastic choice for travel creators, vloggers, and photography enthusiasts. Pros: 4K video and 8K photo capture, 3-axis mechanical gimbal, AI tracking and AI night shot, vertical shooting mode, up to 96 minutes of total flight time, 10 km transmission range, under 249-gram design. Number 1. Ruko F11 Pro 2 Drone. The Ruko F11 Pro 2 is a premium GPS drone equipped with a 6K camera, a professional 3-axis gimbal stabilizer, 2 intelligent batteries providing up to 70 minutes of total flight time, long-range transmission, intelligent auto return, and beginner-friendly flight controls. Review highlights. The Ruko F11 Pro 2 stands out for its outstanding combination of image quality, flight stability, and ease of use. The 3-axis gimbal produces smooth, cinematic footage, while GPS-assisted intelligent flight modes make every flight safer and more enjoyable. Pros: high-resolution 6K camera, professional 3-axis gimbal stabilization, up to 70 minutes of combined flight time, long-range transmission, GPS auto-return, stable and easy to fly, excellent overall value. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. Now, as promised, let's talk about the best product overall. After comparing camera quality, flight stability, intelligent features, battery life, transmission range, ease of use, and overall value, the Ruko F11 Pro 2 drone is the best overall drone. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and check the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.